Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Today I'm in the backyard with two of my bag in the pot planters, and as you can tell, they've been doing pretty well. We have some great lemon coral sedum here, and these double impatiens have gotten quite tall. And a couple weeks ago, I removed the center hydrangea, which was a zebra hydrangea, because believe it or not, it was getting buried in there. And I said, I need to get something a little taller to last the rest of the season. And some of you sent in some great ideas. I did look for purple fountain grass. I found some, but they're very small. So they're gonna go somewhere else because that was a great idea. You can always use purple fountain grass. And then thanks to Wesley for the idea of Mandeilla. Now, Wesley thought this would be good to climb up a side trellis, which it really would, but it got me thinking about Mandeilla. And then when I went to Home Depot and saw that they were 50% off, I thought that is perfect. They can grow taller and they'll fit in just great here. So I got two. And here they are. They are pink. You know, pink is always my favorite. But here's the problem. I don't think they're going to stick out the top quite as much as I was hoping. So stick with me here while I see if I can sort of jerry-rig a way to make these a little taller. They came in some decorative pots, those little black pots, and I'm thinking that I could turn this upside down in the center pot that I have here and then balance this on top. Now there's a chance that they might fall over and it could be a disaster, but we're going to see. I have not tried this before, but it seems like a fair idea. Oh yeah, even then it just peeks out the top. These are some big flowers. But if I extend this trellis up here, I could have them growing considerably taller, and I think that that is going to work. So let's try this on the other side here. There's so much you can do with empty planters, which is why I like to keep them all. Okay. We'll add this in. Okay, I'm gonna step back and see how it looks. We're just gonna swivel this a bit so that the pot is covered a bit more by those. Yes, nice. I'm feeling pretty good about this. I do love beautiful Mandeilla, and it's still warm enough here that they probably have at least another month, if not more. This is a great time to hit your nurseries and your big box stores for sales like this too, because you know these were like $12 each. That is fabulous for a big plant like this, and I'm going to get a lot of joy out of these Mandeilla. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.